This tool helps you understand variations in an instant. All you have to do is click on this button right here when it lights up, when there's an alert, a variation viewer. That's it. You just click on this and it instantly loads all the variations for this ASIN. Notice that this one has 76. There are 76 variations here, and you see all that data just in there, nice and easy. First column is just an image of the product, and you can see exactly what the product is. For example, you see that's a 3-pack of that. That's whatever they are, basically. The ASIN's in there as well. The title's in there. There are all the attributes, so you can know if it's a 1-pack, if it's a 6-pack, a 3-pack, all that type of information. You can sort it as well if you want to go alphabetically or high to low. You can see all the offers just right there. You can see this one has 0 offers, no buy box price for this one, 0 Amazon in stock, and you can just sort that the other way. This one has 22 offers. You can sort by Amazon being in stock. For example, this one has 3% Amazon in stock in the last 6 months. You can sort by sales. You can sort by anything you want, by buy box, high to low, anything. Nice and fast. You can see exactly what's going on with all the variations within this list. You get the information you basically really need, and none of the fluff, just the info that you need that's going to help you sell better. If you want to copy the ASIN, you copy it. If you want to open up the ASIN in a new tab, you just click on this button right there and it opens it up in a new tab. Again, it opens up. You can see all the data you need to see. You can see everything. You can understand if a product's worth buying or not. For example, what I just noticed here, another alert popped up here. The brand is a seller. So we see that big and official. The actual brand is selling this product. It appeared right there. But let's just see if it's profitable. I get this product for around $2.80 per unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in $2.80 right there. And it's a 12-pack from what I see. So let's go ahead and type in the quantity right there, 12-pack. Is it profitable? $4.04 worth of profit. Just waiting for the chart to load over here. We see the chart. There is a bit of profit. Let's enlarge this chart. So there is some profit in it. I see it dropped over there. Not much. $4 is a bit low, but you are going up against the brand, of course. It's a bit hard to sell against them. You know, if they can command whatever type of price they want. It sells around 100 units per month from what I see over here in the last 30 days. Might be a good product to buy. Maybe you can buy 30 of them and make $121 worth of profit for a month. So yeah, love using this tool. It really saves time, especially when you want to look at the variations and you can want to see exactly what's going on. Again, you see all the variations with just one click. It takes 2 seconds to load, pretty much faster than anything else I've ever seen. Anyway, hope you like this one. Subscribe, like, and do all that type of stuff. And I keep coming out with little strategies and hints and tactics that you can use to improve your productivity and make yourself more profitable. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.